Ever wished you could instantly update the identity of your PDF documents? Today, we're diving deep to show you exactly how to change the name, author, title, and subject metadata within any PDF, making your files more organized and identifiable than ever before. First things first, you'll need a PDF editor for this tutorial. We'll cover both dedicated software and convenient online tools if you're using a desktop application like Adobe Acrobat Pro, Foxit Phantom PDF, or similar. Open your PDF file by going to File, then Open. Once your PDF is open, look for the File menu again this time. Navigate to Properties, or sometimes it's labeled Advanced Properties or Document Properties. Click on that. This will bring up a dialog box containing all your documents' metadata. You'll see fields for title, author, subject, and keywords. Simply click into the field you wish to change and type your new information. For instance, if you want to change the author, delete the existing name and type in the new author's name. Do the same for the title and subject. To accurately reflect the document's content, it's that straightforward. After making your desired changes, click OK or Apply to save the updated properties then. Remember to save your PDF file itself. You can do this by going to File and then Save, or choose Save as if you want to create a new version of the file. Now, let's touch on online tools. Many popular websites offer free PDF editing services. A quick search for Online PDF Metadata Editor will bring up several options. On these platforms, you'll typically upload your PDF document, and they'll present a similar interface to the desktop editors. You'll find the metadata fields easily accessible. Make your edits, and then download the revised PDF back to your computer. Changing your PDF's metadata might seem like a small detail, but it's incredibly useful for keeping your digital library organized, making documents searchable, and ensuring proper attribution. Give it a try on your next PDF.